Hello viewers, are you experiencing contact number not saved but contact name showing issue? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many users experiencing this issue. Many people are asking why this is happening. Basically, a new feature called CNAP has been introduced. Its full form is calling name presentation. Due to the introduction of this CNAP feature, now when someone calls you, the name is shown even if the number is not saved. The name displayed here is the name under which the SIM card was purchased. Now the question is, what is CNAP feature? CNAP is a telecom service that displays the name of the caller on your phone screen during an incoming calls. Its primary purpose is to provide telephone subscribers with information about incoming calls. Secondly, it's designed to reduce spam calls, fraudulent calls, and unsolicited commercial communication. Now, many people are asking how to turn on or turn off CNAP service. The answer is that you cannot turn it on or off in any way. It will be automatically turned on in your phone, but certain mobile phones don't have the necessary hardware or software to accept the CNAP technology. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.